In a world where technology never stops evolving, your iPhone remains at the cutting edge, packed with hidden tricks and powerful tools that can transform the way you use your device today. With the recent rollout of iOS 26 and the incredible capabilities of iOS 18, now is the perfect time to dive in. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, these game-changing tips will boost your productivity, spark your creativity, and make your everyday life way easier. So buckle up, let's unlock the full potential of your iPhone and take your user experience to a whole new level. 1. Create reminders linked to emails effortlessly. Ever come across an email that requires follow-up or action later? While iOS doesn't natively link emails to reminders, there's a clever workaround. Simply tap and hold on a sentence or paragraph within your email to bring up the text selection tool. Drag the selection handles to highlight the relevant text, then tap the menu that appears above. Use the share sheet to choose reminders. What happens next is a game changer. A new reminder is created with the selected text, and importantly, it includes a link back to the original email. This seamless integration enables you to jump straight into the email from your reminder, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. It's a simple trick that saves time and keeps your tasks organized. 2. Insert custom text for URLs in Mail. Sometimes when sending an email, you want to embed a link within text rather than displaying the full URL. For example, you might want the link to appear as "click here" or "read more." This is easy to do on your iPhone. First, write the descriptive text you want to turn into a link. Then, navigate to Safari, select and copy the URL you wish to embed. Return to your email draft, long press on the text you want to turn into a link, and select Paste. The URL will replace the selected text, creating a clickable link that maintains your email's neat appearance. 3. Send handwritten messages in landscape mode. Did you know that your iPhone can send handwritten messages? It's a feature that's been around for a long time but often overlooked. When in the Messages app, turn your phone to landscape orientation, hold it sideways. You'll notice a new circle squiggle icon on the keyboard's bottom right. Tap this icon to bring up a large white canvas. Here, you can handwrite personalized messages using your finger or select from preset messages at the bottom. Once you're done, tap Done and send your handwritten note. It's a charming way to add a personal touch to your texts, perfect for special occasions or just a fun surprise. 4. Enhance your experience with Taurus accessories. While tips and tricks are great, real-life scenarios often demand practical accessories. For instance, if you're watching Netflix on the go or taking a FaceTime call, a sturdy, versatile case can elevate your experience. Enter the Taurus Ostand 03 fitness case, a rugged, stylish case with military-grade drop protection, reinforced polycarbonate, and textured sides for better grip. What makes it stand out is the built-in ring, which functions as a finger loop or kickstand, allowing you to prop up your phone in portrait or landscape mode effortlessly. 5. Save web pages as searchable PDFs in Notes. Research or content curation often require saving web pages for later reference. Instead of bookmarking, you can create searchable PDFs directly into your Notes app. Here's how. Open Safari, navigate to the web page you want to save, and tap the Share button. Select Print, then pinch out on the print preview to turn it into a PDF. Tap the Share icon again and choose Notes. Add a title or notes if needed, then tap Save. The web page is now stored as a searchable PDF within Notes. 6. Use focus mode to automate display settings. With iOS 18, you can link your focus modes to specific display settings, such as the always-on display. If you find the always-on feature distracting during work hours, you can set it to automatically turn off when your work focus is active and turn back on when you're done. Create a focus mode for work in Settings greater than Focus. Scroll down to Focus Filters, then add a filter for Always On Display and toggle it off. When you activate this focus, your Always On display disables, reducing distractions. When you switch to your personal focus, the display turns back on, offering a customized, distraction-free environment tailored to your routines. 7. Customize VIP alerts for important contacts. Your iPhone's VIP feature in Mail is a powerful way to prioritize emails from key contacts. Add someone to your VIP list by tapping their name in an email and selecting Add to VIP. But why stop there? You can personalize alerts for VIPs by choosing unique sounds and vibrations. Go to the VIP mailbox, tap the info icon, then select VIP alerts. Here, enable alerts, select a distinctive sound, and create custom haptic feedback. Now, when a VIP emails you, your phone will notify you with a special alert, allowing you to recognize important messages immediately, even without looking at your screen. 8. Manage People and Pets Album Privacy. Your Photos app automatically creates albums for people and pets it recognizes. But sometimes you may want to hide certain individuals or pets from these albums or reduce their prominence. Open the People and Pets album, tap the 3 dots menu on a person or pet, and choose Don't Feature or Hide. Don't Feature limits their appearances in memories, while Hide removes them entirely from the album. This gives you control over your photo organization, ensuring your private moments stay private. 9. Use nicknames for contacts for easier search. If you have friends or family members you often refer to by nicknames, you can add these to their contact cards. Open the contact, tap Edit, then Add Field at the bottom, and select Nickname. Enter the nickname, and it will appear above their name. Now, when searching or using Siri, you can type or say either their real name or nickname, and your iPhone will recognize both. This small tweak makes finding contacts quicker and more personalized. 10. Quickly blur faces and redact content in photos. Privacy is paramount, especially when sharing photos. With the Photos app's editing tools, you can quickly obscure faces or sensitive information. Select a photo, tap Edit, then Clean Up. For blurring faces, zoom into the face area, select Clean Up, and circle the face. The iPhone will automatically pixelate it, protecting privacy. Similarly, you can redact receipts or confidential documents by selecting the text area and applying pixelation. It's a fast way to secure sensitive content before sharing. Are there any features you already use or new tricks you plan to try? Drop a comment below and share your favorite tips. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with friends. Remember, staying informed about your device's capabilities allows you to make the most of your iPhone, turning it from a simple gadget into a powerful tool tailored to your needs. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and updates to get the most out of your Apple devices.